TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN, 12 noon Eastern time, middle of the trading day. We got markets in negative territory right now, pretty much back to where we were trading at, though, right now in the S&Ps. As of about 15 minutes prior to the close yesterday, we got that acceleration to upward territory. You make a high of 42.58 overnight. On the session right now, you got futures negative 13 points in the S&Ps. We're trading at 42.32. For all context of where we are, folks, though, we're right near record territory. You're talking about a record print today on the S&Ps, and this upward trend channel line, it's right in the middle of that action at record territory. NASDAQ 100 just below record territory as well, 14,058, made it as high as 14,155 last night. We get the Dow trading 167 points in the red. The Dow possibly slipping back into the trend that it had been in. Got a little bit above that level. Highs on the Dow, 35,000. We're trading at 34,108. And we get the Russell off about 0.9% at 2301. Bitcoin hovering just above 40,000 right now at 40,055. We get the gold contract continuing kind of the slide we had yesterday. Gold off $9 at 1856. You see the trend channel line I have up here for gold. Some negative action since the highs we got back in August. Maybe we see it retest that channel line before accelerating higher. You're talking about maybe around 1820 to 1823. If it was going to bounce off that level, we're trading at 1857 in the price of gold. And we'll get down to notes and bonds. So far right now, we get the 10-year flat at 132.16. That's correlating to a yield right now of, we'll call it 1.5%. It's a hair under 1.5 to be exact, 1.497. But nonetheless, about 1.5% on the 10-year. And as the market accelerates a little bit to the negative side, we jump over to the VIX. We put it back on a 15-minute. We're back above 17 on the volatility index. We got a Fed meeting starting today. Announcement out tomorrow, 2 p.m. Eastern Time. Press conference, 2:30 p.m. Eastern Time tomorrow. We'll see what happens there. Jumping around to what else we have going on. Retail sales out this morning, hinting to a shift to spending on services. As you have the retail number coming in at a headline number of retail sales purchases falling 1.3% in May, following an upwardly revised 0.9% gain in April. Also got some CPI data out this morning as well. And don't forget, folks, tomorrow, Dave White, he's going to be hosting a webinar for his subscribers to Path of Least Resistance, Tech Insider, or Art of the Timing Trade Charts options webinar. You can sign up for any of those services, attend free tomorrow, live from 4 till 5. Stay tuned, folks. Larry Pesavento coming up live with Trade What You See right now. Steve Rhodes at 1, Dave White at 2, Tom O'Brien, my dad, live at 3. We'll be right back, folks.